What if we can live forever? Scientists, biotech pioneers, and global health experts are diving into a revolutionary idea: treat aging itself as a disease. Imagine a world where growing older doesn't mean growing weaker, where 80 feels like 40. No creaky joints, no brain fog, no slowing down. Just vibrant, healthy years packed into life's middle. But to understand this revolution, let's rewind and ask, why do we age in the first place? Michael R. Rose, an evolutionary biologist, offers a mind-blowing theory. Once we've passed our childbearing years, evolution stops protecting us. Survival was never designed to last past reproduction. Without evolution's constant maintenance, our cells begin to fray, proteins misfold, and damage accumulates like rust on a car left out in the rain. Here's the twist: aging isn't a countdown, it's a maintenance gap. Scientists believe this gap can be slowed, repaired, and possibly closed altogether. This idea becomes clearer when we look at genetics. Certain people carry the FOXO3A longevity gene, often found in individuals who live 100 years or more, suggesting some of us are genetically wired for extended vitality. In fruit flies, altering a single gene called INDY can double their lifespan. No special diet required. Researcher Mikhail Blagosklony takes it a step further, arguing that aging is programmable, meaning we may be able to rewrite our biological software so that our bodies spend more time repairing and maintaining themselves rather than degrading. Scientists are already exploring how to hack this code. Consider caloric restriction, a well-documented intervention that extends life in yeast, worms, mice, and even some primates. By slightly reducing calorie intake, we trigger stress response pathways that bolster DNA repair, recycle damaged proteins, and enhance cellular resilience. One of the most promising anti-aging drugs is metformin, a diabetes medication that's being studied for its potential to extend lifespan. A major trial called TAME, Targeting Aging with Metformin, is exploring how this common drug could regulate aging at a cellular level. Early studies show it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, both key drivers of aging. Then there's rapamycin, an exotic compound discovered on Easter Island. Originally used to prevent organ rejection in transplant patients, rapamycin inhibits the mTOR pathway, a crucial growth regulator. By dialing mTOR down, we shift cells from grow into a careful repair and conserve mode. Animal studies show rapamycin can extend lifespan and delay age-related decline. And don't forget the buzz around NAD+ boosters like Basis, a supplement sold by Elysium Health. These compounds activate sirtuins, proteins that slow down aging by repairing DNA and improving cellular function. But drugs aren't the whole story. Our roughly 37 trillion cells once seemed immortal, but the discovery of the Hayflick limit showed that most cells can only divide so many times before they stall. Over time, mitochondria, cellular power plants, lose efficiency, spewing out damaging free radicals. Yet research suggests we can restore mitochondrial function through targeted therapies, exercise, or specific diets. High-intensity interval training, HIIT for instance, has been shown by Mayo Clinic researchers to rejuvenate older adult cells, effectively making them behave as if they were decades younger. Meanwhile, intermittent fasting triggers autophagy, a vital cellular cleanup service that recycles damaged components and keeps cells lean and efficient. Still, no single intervention solves every problem. Some cells refuse to die or repair, becoming zombie cells, also known as senescent cells. These are old damaged cells that refuse to die, instead lingering in the body and causing inflammation. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic are leading the charge to eliminate these so-called senescent cells using senolytic drugs, like dasatinib and quercetin, which target and destroy these zombie cells. Early trials in mice show promise, with treatments improving physical function and even extending lifespan by up to 36%. Imagine a future where you can pop a pill to clear out zombie cells, restoring your body to a more youthful state. Scientists believe this could drastically reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Stem cells, the blank slates of the cellular world, are being hailed as a game changer in regenerative medicine. These cells can transform into any other cell type, making them ideal for repairing damage caused by aging. For instance, adult stem cell transplants have shown potential in treating everything from heart failure to arthritis. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs, are another breakthrough. These are adult cells reprogrammed to behave like embryonic stem cells, offering limitless possibilities for anti-aging treatments. Scientists are now exploring how stem cell therapy could regenerate tissues, reverse age-related damage, and even combat chronic illnesses. This is just the beginning. We're stepping into an era where the very definition of old age could be rewritten. In the next part of this series, we'll dive deeper into the latest breakthroughs, the controversies they spark, and the ultimate question: how far can we push the boundaries of human longevity? The future of aging is being written right now. It's time to question everything we thought we knew and dare to imagine what comes next.